Hello students. Hi. Here I am Sunil Harinkhede, English Subject Assistant, Diet Gondia. Dear students, under English Grammar, today we will discuss about classes of conjunction. In our last video, we discuss what is the conjunction. Let's see. What is the conjunction? Conjunction is a part of speech. But what is it? Conjunction are the words that they are used to connect words, phrases, clauses or sentences. They are using for connect words, phrases, sentences. A conjunction is a word which merely joins together sentence and sometimes the words. That is the conjunction. For example, and, but, or, as, soon as, although. So these are the classes of conjunction or types of conjunction. How we can classify them? Let's see. Conjunctions are classified into two classes, and these two classes are coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction. These are the two classes. Let's see what is coordinating conjunctions. The conjunctions which connects two statements or two words of equal rank, means they have the equal rank or equal importance, and they are independent statements, and these equal rank, equal importance and independent statements are joined by conjunction, that is the coordinating conjunction. Let's see. A coordinating conjunction joins together clauses of equal rank. For example, and, or, but, nor, also. So these are the coordinating conjunctions. Mukesh is reading and Vilas is writing. So here Mukesh is reading, that is independent, and Vilas is writing, that is different. Both are independent. They are not dependent sentence. Yes, and they have the equal importance. So here the word and is the conjunction, and that is coordinating conjunction. Pooja can write an essay or a story. So she have two options and she is free for to write an essay or write an story. Means they are not dependent words. Akshay neither completed homework nor went to school. Here neither nor is also the independent conjunction, means we can say coordinating conjunction. Abraham has white t-shirt, also red jacket. So here also is coordinating conjunction. Now we will see about subordinating conjunction. The conjunction which connects two statements or two words are the dependent statements. These conjunctions are subordinating conjunctions. Means a subordinating conjunction joins a clause to another clause on which it depends for its full meaning. Means for full meaning they are depending on each other. So what are they? Because, if, although, unless, as, while. So these are the subordinating conjunction. In the sentence, Mukesh is reading hard because he applied for exam. Here the statement he applied for exam, but the conjunction because shows reason behind it. Why Mukesh is reading hard? So the word because is here the conjunction. As a student, you should complete the homework. Yes, you should complete the homework because you are the student. So here word as is subordinating conjunction. I found my book where we played yesterday. Gaurav will read until he becomes success. Sandeep will pass if he will work hard. So here because, as, where, until, if, these words are showing connection. They are depending. The another statement is dependent on first statement or word, so it is subordinating conjunction. So in this way we learn about the classes of conjunction. In next video we will discuss separately their types, their functions. Thank you guys for watching this video. We will meet again. Thank you.